Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on sourcing and importing products, especially from China. Today we are diving into something different. How to import furniture from China and start your own business. Whether you are a complete newbie or looking to expand your current business, this guide is for you, so let's get started. Why China? Well, China is a global manufacturing powerhouse, especially when it comes to furniture. You will find everything from high-end, luxurious pieces to budget-friendly options. The variety, customization possibilities, and competitive pricing are unbeatable. Plus, many Chinese manufacturers are experts in exporting, so they are well equipped to handle international orders. Alright, let's talk about the first step, research. You want to start by figuring out what type of furniture you want to import. Are you looking at modern, rustic, or something else entirely? Once you have a clear idea, it's time to find suppliers. Platforms like Alibaba, madeinchina, and globalsources are a great place to start, but don't just rely on these websites. Attend furniture trade shows both online and in person if possible. These events are gold mines for meeting suppliers and getting a feel for the latest trends. Remember, when you are choosing a supplier, it's not just about the price. Look for experience, quality, and very importantly, communication. You want someone who understands your needs and can deliver on time. Now let's talk about negotiating. Once you have found a supplier, it's time to discuss terms and pricing. Don't be shy. Negotiation is expected. Start by getting quotes from multiple suppliers to get a sense of the market price. Make sure you cover the following points: minimum order quantity, pricing per unit, shipping costs, payment terms, lead time, and delivery schedule. And always ask for samples before placing a bulk order. It might cost a bit upfront, but it's worth it to ensure quality. So you have got your supplier, you have negotiated a great deal, and now it's time to talk logistics. Shipping furniture is a bit different from smaller items due to the size and weight. As you know, sea freight is cheaper but slower, and air freight is faster but much more expensive. For most furniture, sea freight is the way to go, especially when you are importing in bulk. Also, consider working with a freight forwarder. They will handle all the nitty-gritty details like customs clearance, paperwork, and even delivery to your warehouse or storefront. This is important, especially if you are new to importing. Next, customs and legalities. Importing furniture means dealing with regulation in both China and your home country. Make sure you are aware of any restrictions, duties, or tax that apply to the type of furniture you are importing. Get in touch with a customs broker or a consultant. If you are unsure about anything, they can help ensure you are compliant and avoid any costly mistakes. Have all your documentation in order before your shipment leaves China. This includes commercial invoice, packing list, bill of lading, and any other required certificates. Last but not least, let's talk about selling your furniture. You have done all the hard work to get it here, so now it's time to make some money. Focus on building a strong online presence, a well-designed website, and active social media profiles can do wonders. Don't forget to take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions for each piece. You might also consider selling on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or even opening your own Shopify store. And remember, customer service is the key to successful business. And that's all for today. That's a quick guide to importing furniture from China to start your new business. I hope you found this helpful? And if so, subscribe to our channel for more tips. Hit the like button and leave your comment below. If you need a sourcing company to manage supply chain for you, please check the description for more information about our services. My name is Italo, and I will see you in the next video.